Moynihan Train Hall represents the most ambitious upgrade to New York City's transportation infrastructure in decades. Conversion of the landmarked James A. Farley building created a modern world-class facility that improves passengers' experiences with state-of-the-art security, digital information technology, and other advanced systems that made it the first project worldwide to be certified under the new Lead for Transit program, achieving Silver. Moynihan reconfigures America's busiest transit hub, dramatically expanding Penn Station's concourses by half. Its central feature is the main boarding concourse, whose roof of dramatically arched skylights, supported by 3 existing steel trusses reinforced for stability, reaches a height of 92 feet. Openings cut through existing plate girders provide escalator and elevator access to the platforms. The West End concourse added entrances and access to most platforms, while the mid-block hall connects to subways, buses, and taxis. All concourse and platform work was performed within the tight clearances of the train shed and without significant interruption of rail operations. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize Moynihan Train Hall as a 2022 OCEA Honor Award.